Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time I upload, which is every single Monday like clockwork. In today's video, we're doing another series of my dope or dub because we gotta find out if these products work. I keep seeing these lash adhesive liners all over Instagram. These are actually from Pretty Mink Beauty. If you guys already know, they make my favorite lashes ever, and it's supposed to work with all lashes. Now, if you know the Glam, those lashes only work with their special lashes and their magnetic liner. I've never tried those either, so hopefully this will be a game changer because I don't really know how this is gonna work. So I have two of them. I'm gonna show you guys in a minute. And we're gonna try to put on these dime piece lashes by Pretty Mink Beauty. If you wanna see if this viral lash adhesive works, keep on watching. Okay, so I just zoomed you guys in. So these are the liners or the lash adhesives. I know one is black, so this is the black one. This is what I'm going to be using today for the sake of this video, just so you can see that I'm placing it down. There's also this clear one. So you just apply it right normally, I guess, where you place your lashes as liner, but I'm assuming you can't see it or it turns white and then it dries clear. I'm not sure about this one, I'm not going to lie to you, but for the sake of this video, and because I want a wing liner with this look, I'm going to go ahead and use the black one. Now, these are pretty. So this is retail for $7 on the website Pretty Mink Beauty. You can go ahead and use the code India15 for an extra 15% off. But $7 is pretty inexpensive. Not gonna lie, I don't even know how much. I don't know. Lash glues that I like to use. I like to use the Kiss lash glue, which is really inexpensive. But I've been using Duo, and I kind of like Duo better, only because it's not as messy when I take them off. Like that lash glue from Kiss can be real messy. But I'm gonna go ahead and try to apply this liner, I guess. Now there's like no instructions. I don't know if it's supposed to dry down first, but I'm gonna do one eye, and hopefully by the time I do the next one, it'll be dry and we can move on. Okay, so just from using this first one, I just want to cover it real quick. As far as like a liner goes, it's a little dry, but it's a nice felt tip. So it's not horrible, but I do feel like it is a little dry. So let's just do this, and I'll just do the other eye real quick, and we can try to put on these dang lashes. Now, me and lashes, we're not like best friends. My eyelashes do curl a lot, and they're thick, so they do get in the way when I try to apply lashes, so it can take me a little bit of time. And to be honest, I've only been wearing lashes for a year, literally as long as my channel has been around. That's it. So I was never using lashes before because these babies get on my nerves. They're long already, so you know. And if you see part of my mirror, I'm gonna block some of it out. Just let it go, mind your business. Cancel yourself, don't cancel me. So I did just go ahead and do the other eye off camera. As far as the liner goes, it is very dry. So it is dry. So I kept just rubbing it on my hand just to get the ink out or whatever it is, the adhesive out, whatever it is. But it doesn't look too bad. I don't know what to expect. So I don't know if it's supposed to dry. It dries on pretty fast because it is pretty dry itself. Now, hopefully I don't mess up my lashes. I didn't bring out any brand new pair of lashes. I don't want to mess them up in case I'm a mess, guys. Just roll with it. So this is my Pretty Mink Beauty lashes in the style Dime Piece. This is one of my favorite styles. This one is more like wispy and flares out on the end. And this is a very simple look, so the lash is about to bring it, hopefully. So I'm just gonna go ahead, just gonna use my tweezers. So I do use like regular tweezers to place them down, or like when I'm putting the glue on, and then I go ahead with some lash tweezers just to like really marry them to my actual lashes. So whatever you do, I am not one of those people who can just apply it with their fingers. That's not me, and then my claws are in the way. Not me. No. I'm like a little scared because I feel like it might have me looking stupid as hell on my channel. Okay, so these are not new. I've had these for a while. I've worn them a few times. If you want a video, like a tutorial on how I actually clean my lashes, I can do that for you guys. Pretty easy, pretty chill video. So just let me know. But these have been worn. And these lashes are so good. You can wear them, y'all. I'm talking about, I've used my angels when I first started my channel over 30 times. Over 30 times, okay? Let's do this, let's see. I'm not gonna lie to you, it's sticking, y'all. So I'm not even done and I'm low-key shook. You guys don't even know. Lashes and me, we're not really like best friends. Like we're cool, like we're mutual friends, like we're cordial when we see each other. But we don't really, like that's not my mans. They're not my mans. They make my look like, whoo, but they're really not my mans. Let me just say that. I'm still like trying to fix them, but I'm like shook. Like I'm actually shook. Ain't no such things as halfway crooks. Why do I feel a little pokey, a little stabby? Okay, so maybe put them down and don't pick them back up, because I think I messed this one up. We're gonna do a redo real quick, but that was my fault. That wasn't it. It was like working. Something was just like poking me. Off camera, I did just go ahead and just fix my lashes and apply the other one. They're on, as you guys can see. I didn't add any glue. I didn't do anything crazy off camera. It did just take me a little while. I feel like the black that I have is very dry. So it did take some time to get it out, but I did end up going in with the clear one. As you can see, it's a little dirty now, and just put it over top. What I learned from that is you kind of don't want to let it dry too much. You kind of want to put it on and then go ahead and apply your lashes right after. I saw that that worked for me. And let me tell you, they feel secure. Now I usually go ahead and marry my lashes together with some mascara after. I didn't. But they're on. They are on. This definitely, like, it's dope. Like, I think you would have to just play around with it a little bit, test it out. This is my very first time using it. This is, as you guys can see. And when I first put the right one on, I don't know what it was. I did something, but something like one of these little hairs was like poking me in the eye, and it wasn't working. But once I took it off, that's when I realized, okay, it dried and it was hard for me to reapply. So I had to go back and put the liners back on, or the adhesives, whatever you want to call it. But this definitely works. Like, dope or dub, this shit is dope as hell, because this could definitely take some time off of your, like, your routine, to be honest, because usually you gotta wait for the glue to dry, you gotta sit there, you gotta do all this extra shit. But this actually works, and I'm gonna keep playing with it and trying it out. But I'm gonna say go ahead. Remember, it's only $7, and you get 15% off if you use my code India15. So make sure you go ahead and try it. And that's pretty much it, guys. Like, this was cute. And when I ordered it, it came in this cute little pink bag. This is the business card for Pretty Me Beauty. Look at that pink glitter. It's beautiful. The larger lashes, like the big blinks, they come in packaging like this. But y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and say this shit is dope. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. It works. And these are some of my favorite pair. Again, this is dime piece. And I'm happy to have tried it. I know there are other vendors that sell the same lash adhesive, so wherever you want to get it from, that's up to you. You can try it, but these do work with any lashes. It's not like the Glamnetics that you have to use with their specific lashes and their specific liner. Nope. You'll use them with anything. So that was really cool. I really enjoyed these short videos. If you guys have any products that you want me to try out, test out on the channel, it could be makeup, it could be skincare, it could be another lash product. So far we're 2 for 2. The first one was a mascara. Now we're doing this adhesive, but I enjoyed doing it. This was fun. Like, I never know what to expect, but let me tell you, they are secure. Okay, when they say secure the bag, secure that lash, baby. It's secure. It's not going anywhere. So I definitely do recommend it. If you want, it's really inexpensive. Just try it out. For starters, it's really not inexpensive. Like, I don't think you can go wrong. And it works. So I really like it. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It definitely helps me out a lot. And you saw that I was struggling, so definitely give me a thumbs up because I made it work. Duh. And if you haven't already, guys, make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Clockwork crew, so you'll be notified every single time I upload, which is every single Monday like clockwork. If you're not already, make sure you go ahead and follow me on Instagram, and go ahead and check out Pretty Make Beauty. They're on Instagram too. It's in the description box. Check out my looks, anything that you want to see. Make sure you go ahead and comment, DM me, let me know. If you find some products on Instagram, send it to me in my story. I'll try it out. These viral Instagram things, like I'll give into it. I'll try it. Ain't no thing. So make sure you go ahead and do it for me, guys. We're on the road to 2,000 subscribers, and with your help, I know that we can get there because I want to do another giveaway. That's really what it is. Yeah, I do. It's fun. I have one in mind for Instagram, so look out for that. But yeah, let's do this shit. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Until next time.